Good morning, sailor. Today is another day, and it's raining. We woke up with this type of weather, huge wave and very heavy rain. The wave is bigger than our boat, 2 times bigger actually. But it doesn't mean we stop sailing. We always go beyond our dreams. As you can see, it's very bad weather. The wind blows around 40 knots per second. But we are very aware with this weather. With this type of wind, we also get a good sailing. At the moment, Gubion, she's running around 8 to 9 knots. And that's pretty good. And I wanna tell you something about our boat. Before we bought here, the old owner, she already sailed around the world with Gubion. And yeah, she has already good experience. And the good thing is, our boat got autopilot. She's driving itself. Just like my little Tesla. Oh, I miss my Tesla. She's my only baby girl. And now I'm gonna show you all what it's really like being on the boat. And on this video, you will see how messy inside my boat while we're sailing. Almost everything is falling on the floor. And this is the real video. It's impossible to put back all the things where it was when we have the huge wave. It will keep falling. Anyway, my boys are very good mood. They had been so amazing since we left Norway. I think that's it for now, and I have to make a quick breakfast for my boys. I wanna say thank you all so much for viewing our videos, and I'm very sorry if my English is not good. We keep sailing. Love, go beyond.